Welcome to today's video technical update presented by CMS Forex. It is Friday, December 18th, 2009. I'm Fan Yang, your technical analyst, and I'll go over some developments in the Forex market. This week, extended greenback strength. Not too much has changed since yesterday as far as greenback strength, so I won't go over the dollar crosses. I'll take a look at the euro pound and the pound yen. The rest of the weekly update can be found on fxtimes.com. This video is being prepared at about 5:15 p.m. Eastern after the conclusion of this week's trading session. The first pair we're looking at today is the euro pound pair. Just to review, our previous outlook was that this decline would have some support here at 0.8950 at the 61.8% retracement area. When that broke, we anticipated some support here at 0.89, 78.6%. Now, this was important to hold if we want to validate or confirm our wave count here. So our count here is 1, 2, 3, 4, and a possible fifth wave. Now, this could be a truncated fifth wave, which would stop at 0.94. However, we were looking at this possible subwave, see 1, 2. That means this wave 2 should be a retracement and should stop somewhere around here. The fact that it continues is almost invalidating this count, but at least it's showing us that there may be further consolidation. Therefore, we may have to adjust our target, at least in the short, medium term. So in the short medium term, since we came all the way almost at 100% retracement, this is pretty much a sideways range, and short-term rally would expect to see resistance at 0.9150 here, but also here at 0.90. So if the market is bearish, it would stop here and continue declining. If it's still neutral, it would break this and test the 0.9150. Now back to the daily, you see this is our bullish outlook to continue in this wave count. But if it's invalidated, a second scenario is possible, and that is this swing projection. You see, we came back down, broke our 50-day moving average, tested it once, tested it twice. This is the second time. And broke it for a couple days, but came back down, and now the slope is also turning. So there is sort of indication that the bullish outlook may be invalidated, but we'll see next week. This is our second scenario, and we would start considering this scenario if our support here breaks. Alright. The next pair is the pound yen pair. Now, there are several scenarios arising from this congestion pattern. Let's see, this is the daily look, and basically this is our congestion pattern here. Let me redraw that. So basically this is the congestion pattern we see, and that's within a larger sideways range between 140 and 153. Now, looking at the 4-hour time frame, we saw this completed Gartley. We anticipated a possible further rally to the 78.6% to test this resistance, but the market didn't have to reach that to complete the Gartley, and it declined after that. Now we're testing again this rising trend line, so maybe we would have a retest of 78.6%, which would be a 3-wave up. And then there is a possibility that we may have a break below. That's the bearish outlook, but there also could be a possibility of a break above. And in either case, you see a break would indicate at least in the short term that the market may test this high here at 153%. I'm sorry, 153 price level, which is 161.8% extended retracement of this decline here. Or if it breaks below, then we would likely have a test of the 140 support area. Okay, but either those are the short intermediate term look. So if it breaks, it's going to test these areas, and until these areas break, we're pretty much stuck in this range. So we can anticipate resistance here and support here, but that all depends on the manner of your of the market's price action towards that power line. If it's a strong rally or a strong decline, we may have to anticipate a possible break. Alright, so that's it for the pound yen. And that wraps up today's update. Visit fxtimes.com for the rest of the weekly update, fundamental analysis, as well as educational live events. Once again, I'm Fan Yang, your technical analyst here at CMS Forex, wishing you a great weekend.